Hello students, good morning. Okay, so today we will discuss our chapter 5, Food We Eat. Okay, hello students. Today we will discuss our chapter Food We Eat. Okay, revision. We have already completed our chapter and today we will discuss more time. Okay, so class 2, class 2, class 2 EVS topic is food we eat. Okay, so topic is food we eat. Food we eat. Okay, so food is essential for all living things. Okay, in our environment there are two types of things. One is living things and other is non-living things. Okay, so living things examples man, dog, tree. Okay, and non-living things are benches, book, pencils. Okay, so food is essential for all living things. All living things need food to grow. Okay, we know that living things have growing, they can reproduce, they can respiration. Okay, so all living things need food to grow. It makes living things healthy and strong. So food is very essential in our daily life and all living things need food to grow. It makes lives things healthy and strong. Next, food gives energy to work and play, and also we get all our food from plants and animals. So there are different types of food groups, and from animals and plant we get food. So we get food from plants and animals. Okay, so see the board, this is food, different types of fruits like mango, rice. Okay, mango, rice, fruits, vegetables, milk, meat. So we get this type of food from plants and animals. So where we get from foods? We get for food from plants and animals. Okay, and food help us in different activities. Okay, first one, food give us energy. So next, food give us energy. Okay, next, number one, food give us energy, and number two, food help us in stay healthy. Number two, food help us to stay healthy. Okay, and number three, this is, so number one, food gives us energy. Next, number two, food help us in stay healthy, and number three, food help us to grow. Okay, so number one, food give us energy. Number two, food help us to stay healthy, and number three, food help us to grow. Okay, next, number three, food help us to grow. Okay, so this is the three activity. Okay, so from animals and plants we get food. Next, there are different types of food items. Food from plants, and which food items we get from plants? Plants give us cereals like wheat, maize. Okay, they also give us pulses like pea, dal, gram, etc. Okay, so plant give us cereals, pulses, vegetables, fruits, etc. So cereals examples are rice and wheat. So see example number one, cereals. Examples are rice and wheat. Okay, rice and wheat. Pulses example, pulses moong dal, arhar dal, gram, peas, etc. Okay, pea, dal and gram. Pea, dal, gram, etc. So cereals and pulses together are called food grains. So what is food grains? Cereals and pulses. Yes. Okay, mango, milk, rice, meat. We get food from plants, animals. Okay, yes. Okay, এটা কি শ্রেষ্ঠা? Sorry for late. Okay, next. Yes, nuts. No problem, ma'am. What happened? No problem. What is food grain? Food grains, cereals and pulses together called food grain. Okay, so see the board. Cereals and pulses together we called food grain. Okay, next, food from animals. So different types of food we get from plants, and also different types of food types we get from animals. So Which type of food we get from plants? Like maize, pulses, vegetables, fruits we get from plants. And next, animals. Next, animals, we get milk, egg and meat from animals. Ma'am, I cannot hear you. Page number 32. Open your science book, page number 32. This is revision. Food we eat. Okay. Food we eat chapter. Today I will revision this chapter. Okay. Page number 32. EVS page number 32. Page number 32. Okay. Next, food from animals. So we get food, different types of food like milk, egg, meat from animals. And meat, we get meat from hen. Egg, we get egg from duck or hen. And milk, we get milk from cow, goat. And also we get honey from honeybee. Okay, this is a type of food types. Next, so we get food from animals. We get food from animals. This is honey from honeybee. Okay. Next, egg from hen or duck. Meat next meat from hen, goat. Okay, yes, we get meat from hen, goat. And milk, next is milk. Okay, milk, we get milk from cow. Okay, we get milk from cow. Next is balanced diet food. Balanced diet food. We must get a we must eat a balanced diet to be healthy. Okay, so all time we must eat balanced diet food. A balanced diet food consists of energy giving foods, body building foods and protective foods. So next is balanced diet food. Next is balanced diet food. Okay, so what is balanced diet food? We must eat balanced diet food to be healthy. And balanced diet food consists of energy giving food, bodybuilding food and protective food. Okay, so energy giving food, bodybuilding food. Balanced diet food is consist of energy giving food, bodybuilding food and protective food. Okay, so balanced diet consists of energy giving food, bodybuilding food and protective food. Next, open your next page. Next is energy giving food. What is energy giving food? Rice, potatoes, butter, cheese and sugar are energy giving food. Okay, and they give us energy to work, play and think. So first one is energy giving food. So energy giving food example is rice, wheat, butter, cheese. Okay, so energy giving food example is rice, pulses, butter, cheese and sugar. And these energy giving foods give us energy to work, play and think. Next is bodybuilding food. So example bodybuilding foods. Bodybuilding food examples pulses, peas, milk, nuts and eggs are bodybuilding foods. So examples are pulses like peas, milk, fish, egg, nuts. They are called bodybuilding food. Okay, so examples pulses, nut, egg, meat, dal, etc. Okay, so this is the bodybuilding foods and they help up our bones and muscles. Okay, so bodybuilding food help us to build up our muscles and bones. Next is protective food. So what is protective food? Protective food examples fruits and vegetables. Okay, fruits and vegetables are called protective food and they help us to stay healthy and this food prevent us from falling sick. Okay, so protective food example is fruits and vegetables. So protective food example fruits and vegetables. Okay, and these help us to prevent from falling sick, or to prevent us from falling sick. So today we discuss that 3 types of fruits. Like number 1, this is energy giving food. Number 2, this is body building food. And number 3, this is protective food. Okay, so number 1, energy giving food. Number 2, body building food. And number 3, this is protective food. Number 1, this is energy giving food like rice. Yes, rice, pulses, butter, cheese, milk, also sugar, they are called, not milk, energy giving food. Okay, and energy giving food help us to give us energy to work, different types of work, to play, etc. Next, this is bodybuilding food like peas, milk, nuts and eggs are called bodybuilding foods. Okay, and they help us to build up our bones and muscles. Okay, so protective food help us to build our bones and muscles. Next, number 3, this is protective food, and protective food like fruits and vegetables are called protective food. Fruits and vegetables are called protective food, and they help us to stay healthy. These foods prevent us from falling sick. Next is, which protective food do you like to eat? Which protective food do you like to eat? See the board. Which protective food do you like to eat? So protective food examples: milk, fish, meat, nuts, etc. Okay, which protective food, which protective food do you like to eat? Do you like to eat? Okay, which protective food do you like to eat? So examples: Ujasik Bishas. Ma'am, I cannot see you. Which protective? Yes, pineapple, Lisa Khatun. Pineapple, Ayush Pal. Mango, yes, mango. Any? Pineapple, mango. 2 next. Right, see the, sorry. Mango, yes, Lisa. Apple, Ayush Pal, yes, apple. Okay, so any type of fruits or nuts or milk or peas. Okay, so any types of fruits like apple, mango, pineapple, etc. Okay, so today your class is stopped here, and next day Okay, I also love mango. Okay. 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 So next day we will discuss another topic. Okay. Okay, bye. Next class we will discuss next topic. Okay, bye.